Hi! Sa videong ito, malalaman mo ang 3 uri ng seeds na pwede mong i-incorporate sa iyong daily diet para maibsan ang pamamanhid at tusok-tusok dulot ng nerve damage naturally. Marahil ito ay bago para sa iyo, pero samahan mo ako para malaman mo ang iyong options to get rid of nerve damage. Para malaman mo din kung gaano nga ba karami ang kailangan mong kainin, paano mo ito i-prepare, and how to keep track and how to know if nakatulong nga ba ito para sa iyo. Magandang araw po, Doc Sherry po, Doctor of Physical Therapy, nagtuturo sa inyo ng practical health tips at home exercise programs na tiyak na makaka-benefit sa iyo. Ito ang 3 uri ng seeds na pwede mong i-incorporate sa iyong daily diet to help manage symptoms of neuropathy naturally para mawala ang pamamanhid at tusok-tusok. Pumpkin seeds. Alam mo ba na ang simple at humble na seeds na ito, it is actually considered a nutrient powerhouse. It is actually boosting with essential minerals po tulad ng magnesium, calcium, iron, protein, a good type of fat, and some form of dietary or a good form of dietary fiber. As far as pamamanhid at tusok-tusok is concerned, it can help you in 2 ways. Number 1, in improving the overall function sa iyong nerve, and second is to reduce symptoms caused by nerve damage. Pag-usapan natin, alam mo ba na for your nerves to function well, kailangan ng sufficient amount of magnesium. Ang magnesium kasi, it helps regulate calcium ions, which helps with nerve impulse transmission. Ang nerve impulse transmission po sa ating katawan, it is likened into electrical cables na nag-connect sa different parts ng iyong katawan sa iyong utak and vice versa. This is actually the reason why you feel different sensation tulad ng sakit, ng heat, ng cold, and it even allows your muscles to move. Powerful, right? Pero ang imbalance or ang kakulangan ng certain ions na ito, it can actually lead to neuropathy symptoms tulad ng pamamanhid at tusok-tusok. Ang parating pagkain ng pumpkin seeds, it has added benefits din dahil mayaman ito sa compound na tinatawag natin na tryptophan. Ito po ay nakakatulong para sa mga tao na nakakaranas ng hirap sa pagtulog dulot ng insomnia because these can actually naturally induce relaxation po. At ang parating pagkain din ng pumpkin seeds, maganda din ito para sa iyong balat dahil it is boosting with zinc, which stimulates collagen production for better skin elasticity at para maiwasan na din ang acne. Gaano nga ba karaming pumpkin seeds ang kailangan mong kainin for you to get the benefits? Well, clinical studies have actually proven na 1 to 2 tablespoons po of pumpkin seeds daily will give you the benefits. How do you incorporate it in your daily diet? Ang iba, they can roast pumpkin seeds. Pwede mo din ito mabili and have these as your snacks. So instead of reaching out for sugary snacks pareho ng cake or mga ibang uri ng tinapay, have pumpkin seeds instead. And try to observe and monitor your symptoms. Kung gaano nga ba kalala at kung gaano kadalas ang pamamanhid at tusok-tusok when you incorporate pumpkin seeds in your daily diet. Ang pangalawang uri ng seeds na makakatulong sa iyo para maibsan ang pamamanhid at tusok-tusok dulot ng nerve damage ay ang tinatawag natin na flax seeds. Dahil alam mo ba na ito po ay boosting sa alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that effectively po lowers ang pamamaga sa any injured nerve. At ang maganda nito ay na-prevent niya or naiiwasan niya ang paglala ng iyong neuropathy symptoms. You might be asking why. Ang ELA kasi na nakikita natin sa flaxseed, these have been proven in clinical studies to help with nerve repair and nerve regeneration. Dahil ang ELA po na nasa flaxseed, it will serve as the building blocks for the formation of new nerve cells and even for the repair of damaged ones. Bonus benefit ng parating pagkain ng flaxseed, it is high in the compound known as lignans. Ang lignans po, it is a type of amino acid na makakatulong to balance hormones and nakakatulong para sa mga kababaihan na nakakaranas ng menopausal symptoms. And one more thing, nakita sa pag-aaral na ang flaxseed po ay napaka-healthy dahil it has the capacity para maiwasan ang several types of cancer. Now, these can be very helpful para sa mga kababayan natin na may family history of CA. And one more thing, flaxseed po have been documented that it can cause cancer cell death or what we call as apoptosis. Gaano nga ba karaming flaxseed ang iyong kailangan? Clinical studies have shown na 1 to 2 kutsara po or 1 to 2 tablespoons of flax seeds will give you the benefits. Ang ground flaxseed po is isa sa pinakamabisa at easiest way to incorporate flaxseed sa iyong daily routine. Pwede mo itong ihalo sa iba't ibang uri ng ulam without altering the texture significantly. Start ka by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of flaxseed sa iyong smoothie. Pwede mo itong i-blend together with your favorite fruit, yogurt, at smoothie. Pwede mo ding itong idagdag or sprinkle over your morning oatmeal to boost your fiber and omega-3 intake. Or pwede mong ihalo ang flaxseed sa iyong sabaw or sa iyong ulam just before serving po to thicken the consistency only a bit and to also boost your nutrition. Gumamit ka ng neuropathy symptom journal at i-monitor mo ang any change sa iyong sensation, pain, or mobility. Ang consistency po is key para mag-gauge ang iyong progress. Before tayo magpatuloy sa last type of seed na nakita sa pag-aaral na makakatulong sa iyo with neuropathy symptoms, at this point po, I would like to ask help from you to please click the like button below. If you're one with me sa paghahanap ng natural at complementary ways that you can do to help lessen symptoms of neuropathy naturally. Dahil hindi po pwede na parati na lang tayong umaasa sa gamot lamang. You need to take an active role din po sa iyong health. Maraming salamat po. It is deeply appreciated. Chia seeds. Alam mo ba na ang chia seeds, epektibo ito para makababa at makalower ng symptoms dulot ng nerve damage. Simply because kadalasan ang pamamanhid at tusok-tusok ay dulot ng complication ng high blood sugar level. Ang chia seeds po ay makakatulong to help regulate blood sugar level because of its high fiber content. So if ang cause ng iyong pamamanhid is dahil sa diabetic neuropathy, chia seeds po will be helpful for you. When it comes to weight management, alam mo ba na if you're currently having symptoms of pamamanhid plus ikaw ay mag-gain weight, most likely po you will increase your symptoms because ang weight gain po, it can actually further compress your affected nerve. So ang weight management po, isa po itong bagay na hindi mo dapat i-take for granted if gusto mong mawala ang pamamanhid at tusok-tusok. And in this case, ang chia seeds po ay makakatulong para sa iyo. So clinical studies have also shown that 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds daily will help reduce symptoms of neuropathy. The best way for you to do this is to make for yourself chia pudding. To prepare, kailangan mo ng almond milk. I-mix mo lang ang 2 tablespoons ng chia seeds, stir, and then you top it with your favorite fruit. Tapos, iwan mo ito or leave it in the fridge overnight. Ito na po ang magsisilbing breakfast or almusal mo. How would you know if this will help your symptoms? Try to notice any improvement sa pamamanhid at tusok-tusok. These are the 3 types of seed na pwede at madali mong gawin at ihalo sa iyong daily diet. Napatunayan na po ito sa pag-aaral that it can effectively lower symptoms of nerve damage naturally. If nakaabot ka hanggang sa dulo ng video, please comment seeds in the comment section below. If gusto mong malaman ang effective effective home remedies para sa pamamanhid sa kamay, paa at binti. Meron akong video dito, i-check mo ito, makakatulong talaga ito sa iyo. At kailangan mo ding malaman ang mga types of foods na kailangan mong iwasan to prevent neuropathy symptoms. You can check it here. If may katanungan ka sa videong ito, please comment sa baba dahil I would really get back on you. Maraming salamat po sa panunood. This is again Doc Sherry. Stay safe, stay happy and healthy. God bless you po. I will see you on our next video. Hi, Doc Sherry po, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Good news sa mga nandito sa Pilipinas, available na po ang BeFREEZE Fragrant Cooling Gel. This is a unique formulation of Arnica montana extract, which had been proven sa mga pag-aaral that it has the same effect as that of ibuprofen in relieving the pain without any side effects. Napakaganda po nito for muscle, joint, and even arthritis pain. A little goes a long way. Ipahid mo lang ang konting amount 2 times a day and you can really see and feel the difference. This one is already available for national shipping through Shopee and with cash on delivery option. This is a unique formulation. It is non-greasy and it is fragrant. Pwedeng-pwede mo ito magamit sa iyong opisina dahil it really smells that good. Try BeFREEZE Fragrant Cooling Gel and see for yourself the difference. God bless you po.